Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be revealing what is in the Erin Condren fall seasonal surprise box. I have a feeling it's going to be very good. I have not saw anything yet of the contents inside, so I am very excited to open this. I will be back with a couple other things I'd purchased that I am going to be also unboxing and doing reviews on. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below. And if you like my content, give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates from me. So let's get into the fall seasonal surprise box from Erin Condren. How cute is this print, you guys? Okay, so inside, oh my God, how cute that is. In all that you do, do it with gratitude. So inside is like a peach, purple, and lavender and white. And then it has the quote in the gold. I think that's like a rose gold circle. And it says, all you do it with gratitude. I actually would like to cut this down and make it like a dashboard, because I don't want it to go to waste. It's too pretty. That is super cute, you guys. Oh my God, there's a lot of heavy stuff in this. That quote, how beautiful is that? In all that you do it with gratitude. And then the inside's like a peach. And I love the outside. I just want to apologize in advance. If you hear the annoying ice cream man, he is out front of my house and all the kids are getting them. So yeah, never fails. So first we have the desk accessory set. Look at them colors. I love the blues. Actually, when I got my nails done, I was trying to find like a fall color, and it took me about a half an hour to pick a gel color. So that's first. So you got an assortment of rubber bands, round push pins, regular push pins, paper clips, large and small, and then you have the binder clips. Okay, so next up is the pen pouch, and it has elastic so it goes on your Erin Condren. And it has the gold zipper with the Erin Condren emblem tag, and again the elastic stretchy. This is perfect for a couple of your favorite pens. I adore this. So far I am loving this surprise box. And then this gold beautiful ruler. How stinking cute is this? I love this. How cute is that? Oh my God. So this is a 15-inch ruler. I love that. And this will fit perfectly inside here along with a couple pens. Next up we have stickers, fall colors, and fall foiled page flags. They're all foiled in autumn shades, purples, lavenders, light pinks, and rose gold and gold. You see the pumpkins down at the bottom. It's hard when it's in a clear packaging with my lighting, but I don't take my stickers out from Erin Condren until I use them. But how cute is that? Fall in love with the process, and the rest will come. Autumn shows us how beautiful it is to let things go. Cozy sweaters, crunchy leaves, candles, fuzzy socks, pumpkin spice. How adorable. So we got the stickers. Then we got another sticker sheet. This is just your check boxes, your quarter flags. You got some round date headers. You have these teardrops. You got 3 full foiled asterisks, and then you got 3 circles that are half foil, half regular. And then you have Let's Do This, Happy Fall, y'all, Patriot Day, Collect Beautiful Moments, Change is Beautiful, Just Begin, Peace, Happy Halloween, Sweater Weather, Chase Your Dreams, Thankful, Trick or Treat. I love this color scheme, you guys, also. Lots of stickers. I love this. And then you have your full boxes that are ombre with little circle checklists. And then it says, goodbye summer, hello fall, leaves are falling and autumn is calling, fall in love with yourself. Autumn leaves and pumpkin please. And then you have all these little decor stickers all about fall. Like I said, I apologize about the glare. I don't like to take these out of the package until I get ready to use them because I tend to ruin things very easily. So far we got 3 fall themed, color coordinated sticker sheets that you can use together for your weekly in your Erin Condren. And then we have this beautiful gold heavy duty metal 15-inch roller. And then the desk accessories. And this cute little personal pen pouch, which the roller does fit inside with this beautiful gold accent zipper. And it also has the elastic strap to put around your life planner. I'm telling you, I've ordered almost, I maybe skipped 2 of her surprise boxes, and I've never been disappointed, honestly. Oh my God, look how cute. So this is a daily notepad. You could tear it out if you wanted to and put a coil clip on it and put it in your Erin Condren along with your week if you wanted to. If you have like a daily schedule every single day, like kids in school or activities a certain day of the week, this would be good to put in between your weekly. And then you have your top priorities, your appointments, and your notes. And then there's a water tracker. And then up here is very sturdy, thick cardboard. This is not falling apart. As you can see, it is very, very thick. Even the back is very thick. This is thicker than any notepad I've saw so far from Erin Condren. And then the best for last. Oh my God, this cover. I freaking love this cover. That's why I like the seasonal surprise boxes, because I like the exclusive covers you get. Look at this cover. Ah, how cute. And then again, you got the dry erase. Again, make sure you use wet erase marker on the back so it does not smear onto your beautiful vellum or your back page. And then this is the inside of the back cover and the outside. All right, everybody, so that is it for the fall seasonal surprise box for 2019 from Erin Condren Designs. Let me know in the comments below if you had purchased the fall seasonal surprise box. I would love to know what you think of the contents inside. I am really, really in love with everything that she put inside this fall box. I love the colors, I love the stickers, I love the cute little desk accessories. I love this little personal pouch. Like I said, you could put a couple of your favorite pens in here, and then this gold little roller fits right inside, and it has, again, the gold accent zipper with the little band to strap to your life planner cover. All right, so that is it. My next video is going to be the brand new 2019-2020 Pelletini Boss Babe planner. I absolutely adore this planner. Wait till you see it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Again, don't forget to turn on that little notification bell icon down below so you can get future video updates from me. I will put all the accessories in the description box below, along with Erin Condren's seasonal surprise box, even though you're going to have to wait to the next season to be able to order. But I highly suggest you at least give it a try. It's $35, free shipping. It is an amazing value. And I will put some of my favorite supplies also in the description box below. Stay tuned for my Pelletini planner review. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.